Why does your scanner show the P014A engine code? What does it mean? P014A is a diagnostic trouble code for 02 Sensor Delayed Response, Rich to Lean, Bank to Sensor 2. The P014A engine code for indicate. The Powertrain Control Module, PCM, has detected the downstream oxygen sensor is reacting too slowly to a lean, low-fuel exhaust mixture. Under this circumstance, short distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Defective or lazy O2 sensor, damaged wiring or connections, exhaust leaks, failing catalytic converter, rich engine running condition. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Chevrolet, Nissan, Ford, Honda, and BMW. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.